Hello everybody, Rachel and Bill. Today we are on the world famous 17-mile drive in Pebble Beach, California, Monterey Peninsula. And we are here riding our scooters along the beach, enjoying the seals, jumping up and down out of the water, playing in the waves, having a good time. This is Bird Rock here. You can see all the birds on it. And the seals are playing in the ocean, making a noise like they always do. So anyway, it's in the 60s along the beach here today. So for all you folks in Southern California or wherever you are, I seriously doubt your weather is as beautiful as this is. But anyway, I just wanted to share with the beautiful sights along Pebble Beach. Let me turn here a little bit. It's really pretty. The camera doesn't do justice to the sights here. Just gorgeous. Clouds haven't quite burned off at the beach yet today. Anyway. Alright, thanks for listening. See you later.